Alright people, what is going on? We are back with another video, and yeah, we are back, literally. I know it's been like a month since I uploaded last. Had a lot of stuff going on in personal life, you know, work life. Had a bit of coolant issue with the car, couldn't really send it, and yeah, all of that stuff happened. Anyways, we are back now, we're back to consistency. I just want to say a big thank you. You guys absolutely smashed it on all of the videos, to be fair, but it's especially at the Central London one. Honestly, it's not 130k views and it's still going. You guys absolutely smashed it. Thank you for the support on that, and hello to all the new subscribers. But yeah, we're back, we got the car. Today we're going to go on a little sunset drive. The sun is just like pretty much setting, so we're going to go for a nice little drive, and then we're going to end up at a car meet. This video might be split into two, so we will see what's going on. But freshly washed the car is looking beautiful. I'll give you a little walk around. So yeah, I'm trying out a new little lens on the GoPro, so we'll see how this works. But yeah, car's clean, wheels are clean, and it's ready to go. DJI mic is on, and yeah, let's get into it. But yeah, honestly, just whilst we're sitting at this traffic light, you guys absolutely smashed that Central London video out. I didn't think it would take off like that. It's nearly touched 130k, which is crazy, and it's still going up day by day. So I just want to say a big thank you, and it just really shows the potential of like the POV content. Like honestly, I was so busy, and it was really pissing me off that I couldn't like put the content out there, but now I'm back. So we're gonna basically try and dedicate Saturdays and Sundays to POV days, and just record kind of content on there. Record the content there, and you might see the videos on Sunday if I record it on Saturday, but if I record it on Sunday, you guys will see it on Monday. So yeah, and depending how much content we actually get over the weekends, you might see a double upload during the week. always got to check if there's police in those Volvos, man. Every single time, look in, see if there's any lights. If not, you're good to go. Oh, cheeky M4. Nice little M4. I don't know, man. I'm not a fan of these GTS lights. Honestly, I prefer the OEM. But hey, respect all builds, eh? M4 doesn't want to have some fun. Whoa, I just seen like 5 bikes fly that way. Yo, another one. I don't know if you lot saw or heard that. Damn, the sky's looking beautiful though, man. Honestly, you just gotta appreciate the sunset sometimes. Oh, M4's on it now. The icons look so good behind. Oh, that sunset, man. Ah. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Oh, there's hella bikes on that side. I want to go where they're going. This is what I'm talking about, man. Guys, look at that sunset. It's like my favorite time to drive on this road. The sun just sets perfectly. It's so good. Remember, I used to have my flames on, and I went through this bit here. It just echoed the whole thing, I swear, bro. It was like an earthquake. Oh, my favourite bit, there's traffic. No way, man. Coming over here because I know the sunset will really bang taking a picture over here, so let's see. I know there's a really nice spot that you can stop up here with the sunset in the back. I really want to stop here. It's not very safe. Yeah, you know what, I'm not doing that. I'm gonna stop it here though. We're gonna stop here. We are gonna stop here. Get a nice little sunset pic. Let's go. Where's the phone? Phone is here. Alright. Let's go. So we've got to do it like this. And then we get down. Then we've got to get it like that. Just like this. And we turn the exposure up a bit. Or not too much, not too much. We get some high angles too. Alright, cool. I think we're good to go.